Here is the welding process. The cells that have been automatically welded by the stringer are connected in series through ribbons. The welding machine will recheck the cell shape and quality by cameras while welding and reject the unqualified cells. Our staff always follow this up with a manual inspection tool. In this process, the critical control point is the cell peeling test. Our quality engineers perform the peel test every 12 hours. Next is the layup process. The machine puts the cell string onto the EVA. EVA is a kind of encapsulated material, which is melted at high temperature and covers all materials together, providing protection to solar cells. EVA should be laid in the center to make sure it can cover the whole glass after lamination. The layup staff rechecks welding quality, mainly focusing on welding strip shifting and cold soldering. Doing 100% on-site EL test is another critical part. EL test is used to detect defects in modules, such as micro cracks, fragments, cold soldering, and so on. It is necessary to ensure control and rework for unqualified modules. Record the defects and send feedback to the former process for analysis. Then the qualified module flows into the next process, lamination. The modules are laminated under vacuum to suck out any air bubbles and with a correct lamination recipe to ensure that the EVA fully covers and protects the cells. In this process, EVA gel content and the pulling strengths between EVA and the glass backsheet are carefully controlled. As long as the control points are in check and the results are good, the laminates are qualified and move to next step. We do 100% safety test, including grounding, insulation, and high part test. The modules are then passed through an IV tester, which detects the power of module and labels a nominal power that is directly related to final customer price. We deploy IV tester with past AAA certification from a reputable institute to make sure that the power we sell is real power. Simultaneously, we do the final EL testing, which makes sure that our products are qualified and up to our quality standards. Towards the end, we do a final visual inspection before packaging. Qualified modules are sorted and packed in pallets after sorting by the same current, color, and power. After going through these various processes, you get the finished modules. It fully demonstrates intelligent and futuristic manufacturing. Intelligence is one of the biggest features of the workshop. We have depicted it through automated manufacturing, advanced testing equipment, automated transportation system, and information technology. In the future, the workshop will introduce the AGV robot for cell transportation and launch automatic binning and packaging equipment. Paperless management is another feature of the intelligent workshop. All production and quality data can be generated in real time, and at the same time, the workers can get it online and make instant communication at any time in workshop via iPads and cell phones. At present, almost all the mainstream high-power modules in the market can be produced in this workshop. It also supports the trial production of new cutting-edge technology modules before they go into mass production. We are planning to upgrade the workshop by laying out PV modules on the roof, aiming to build a digital, flexible, and zero-emission carbon-neutral factory in the near future.